guys, today we are doing an awake lower eyelid surgery, and our patient has been kind enough to share her procedure with you. First, we start by numbing the eye and putting some eye shields in. Alright guys, so she is all numb. We have the eye shields in to protect her eye, and now we are going to make our little incision just under the lash line. So I'm just going to push her eyelashes up a little bit so we don't trim those. And we'll just be making a little incision. Guys, so you can see the excess skin now that can come out, but you never take out that much skin. I'm having her open her mouth because that pulls the skin kind of tight, and I can decide how much to remove, but you always want to be really conservative with this removal. So I usually just remove a couple millimeters. Alright guys. Just finishing up the sewing process here.